We have, so these are generally known as healing ball or Himalayan balls, because these actually originate back in the Himalayas of Nepal and Tibet around like 10th or 11th century. So usually in the term of yoga and meditation, so it's believed our body has like 7 different energy points which control the flow of energy within our body. So those are referred to as the chakra. One ball is actually made with 7 different metals. So each ball is an alloy of a 7 metal, which includes a little bit of gold and silver, then copper, iron, tin, lead and zinc. 7 different metals. So firstly, either you rub a mallet, tap the ball, it makes like sound, very soothing sound. Okay, so the sound of these balls are used for meditation and concentration. And now, along with the sound, it also makes the vibration. You can feel it even without touching.
Oh wow, yeah.
Okay, so now these vibrations are used for healing. So now how we use for the meditation and healing is, so now users focus on the sound for the meditation, because a ball of this size, which is a typical head size ball, tapped once will make a continuous sound for about 3 to 4 minutes. You just simply do this. The person is already into the state of meditation, so it helps you to concentrate on a particular sound to do the meditation. And for the healing, now you have to place the ball on the body. For example, if you're having trouble on the head, okay, like anxiety, insomnia, migraine, you simply put the ball on the head like this, balance it, and tap gently around the edge, like this. By doing this, you let the vibration of the ball flow inside of the head. Okay? Similarly, you can do the same thing like on the chest, on the stomach, on your knees, the legs, arms, back. So now the thing is, on the back side, you cannot do it yourself. You need someone else for you to do it. But on the front part, you can do it yourself as well. And you don't only have to sit, you can sit, you can lay on the bed and also do it. So now, and also talking about the science behind how the vibration actually works is, so now firstly when we do this, so outside you feel very relaxed. It's like doing a massage. But inside of the body, so how it works is, so if you see here, so there's a ball filled up with water. Okay, which you can say is our human body is also filled with more than 70% water. So when the vibration of the ball goes inside of the body, it reacts like this. Okay, so now what it means is, so when the vibration of the ball goes inside, so it makes the fluids of our body vibrate, which means it increases the cell's activity and also improves the blood circulation. So that's the main science behind how it works, because if you have a very good blood circulation, it will speed up the natural process of healing. Because healing ball doesn't mean like you have a broken hand, you hit it and it really doesn't work like that. It's just a gradual process, like about 10 to 15 minutes every day. Okay, and then about a week, about 10 days, you actually start to feel positive change in the body. But one try, it's good for experience, it's good for relaxation, but it won't like instantly heal anything inside of the body. Okay? As I said, yeah, it takes a long time, but the main thing is, so these kind of balls, they don't have any sort of side effect, unlike the medical, like modern medicine that we have. Like for example, you have a headache, you take a pill. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes later, you get instant relief. But depending on the chemical use and the medicine, and also depending on different person, they will have different sort of side effect. But this ball, it just takes time, but it doesn't have any sort of side effect, even from children to the very old age people. Okay.